Welcome, in front of me is a Black Shark 5 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, as it is for me, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up right here that gives you the two options that are accessible. Now this will stay on the screen as long as you don't tap anywhere. So you have the tap to capture a scrollable screenshot, which is accessible only when you can actually scroll down, which on the home screen I can't. And then the second option is just send, a share option. And after a moment this will disappear. Now once it disappears, you can find your screenshot and all the other screenshots that I have captured over the time in your Photos application. So you can see it right up here in the Photos category. It will be visible as the newest one, at least the newest one that it will capture. And I believe it should be also under Albums, under Screenshots and Screen Recordings, and you can see it right here as well. So that is how we can capture a screenshot here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.